Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Chastity here with another drool-worthy human treat. I am participating in Cast Iron Wednesday's April monthly challenge. And this month's challenge is a pasta dish cooked in cast iron. So I'm making bacon and shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. In my cast iron skillet, I'm going to fry up some bacon to start with. The more bacon, the better. I'm also making homemade garlic parmesan breadsticks, but I'll share that recipe another day. After the bacon is done, place it on a paper towel lined plate to drain, and then drain part of the grease in the skillet into your bacon grease can. I keep about a couple of tablespoons of bacon grease in the skillet, but I drain the rest of it into the bacon grease can. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add in the shrimp, and I have 2 different kinds of shrimp here. The darker shrimp are fresh. I just deveined and peeled them. The pink shrimp, it comes already peeled and deveined. It's not as fresh as the other. I'm not sure how much shrimp I have here. The recipe calls for a pound of shrimp though, but I think I probably have a little over a pound of shrimp. The more the better. Add in 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. And then add in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Now on the back burner I have water, olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt that I brought to a boil in my cast iron Dutch oven. I'm going to add the fettuccine into that. You want to cook your fettuccine according to the package directions. I use Buitoni. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. You can find it in the refrigerator section of the grocery store. It's really good. I'm adding it to the boiling water and I'm going to let it boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, now back to the shrimp. Next I'm going to add in shredded Parmesan cheese a little at a time. I use a ½ cup of shredded Parmesan altogether, but I do a couple of tablespoons at a time. I mix it until it melts and then I add in more. Mix it until it melts until I've got a ½ cup in there. The temperature on my stove is on number 4. So I guess that's considered about medium low. And it's going to take a few minutes to thicken. I have about a ½ teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of garlic powder left over from my breadstick topping. So I'm just going to sprinkle that in here as well. I've crumbled the bacon into pieces and I'm adding that in. I drain my pasta, and once the sauce starts to thicken, I add in the pasta. This is simple, creamy, and full of flavor. I know we enjoyed it. You can see the other Cast Iron Wednesday cooks if you search hashtag Cast Iron Wednesday. Go check out the other channels that enjoy cooking in cast iron as much as I do. Stay tuned Saturday because Bobbi Jo will be joining me in the kitchen as we make her doggy birthday treat. Bobbi Jo turns 3 on Friday, and since I work on Friday, we're going to have her birthday party on Saturday. Then on Monday, it's going to be 1 year since I started doing episodes of the Lake Hill City Bird, so I will be doing a video showing all the birds that's visited our backyard in 1 year. We've had quite a variety. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and as always, y'all have a blessed day.